Hello students and parents. I wanted to share these mindful minute videos with everyone just so we could take a moment to stop, relax, and get back to the present moment. We all need an opportunity, sometimes multiple times throughout the day, to take a deep breath. So that's what these practices are going to be. This little exercise is called Just This, and this helps us to come back to the present moment, and it talks a little bit about why meditation is important and how it can benefit us. Meditation and mindfulness invite us to be radically honest about what is happening inside of us. And that invitation can be as challenging as it is beautiful. One of the best ways to encourage this sense of inner honesty is to practice just this. Use this simple phrase to turn your attention toward whatever is happening in the present moment and meet that experience with acknowledgement, allowing, and acceptance. You can even turn it into a bit of a mantra to carry with you through your daily life. So this can be something that you just say to yourself, repeat to yourself in those moments and times of stress. Sometimes we worry about what's going to happen in the future, and we're thinking in the future instead of in the present moment. Sometimes we're thinking about something we did in the past, a mistake we made, or something we could have done better, or something we messed up on. This brings us back to the present moment, so you can repeat to yourself, just this. So when you feel like you're out there in the future or all the way back in the past and you need to come back to the present moment, I want you to just take a nice, deep, even breath and think in your mind, just this. I hope you enjoyed this mindful minute. I'm looking forward to sharing lots of these with you throughout the school year. Bye!